Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I created the 56-book Eemaan reading series as a pioneering effort aimed at establishing an educationally sound and visually attractive collection of graded English readers with Islamic moral content for the primary schools, ages 4 to 12. However, some schools also use the books to teach akhlaq, Islamic ethics and morals, through stories about Muslim children having to make moral choices from which they learn and grow. Now, this book is an example of the child's first level pre-kindergarten readers. It contains appealing concepts and simple topics with 1, 2, or 3 to 4 words per page, making them perfect first books for beginners. The series are a wonderful blend of racially and culturally diverse Islamic settings, with vocabulary and moral values introduced at a grade-appropriate level. The readers were all written and illustrated with humor and insight. They are a must-have for Muslim homes and Islamic schools, classrooms, and libraries. Please don't miss out on this great opportunity to Islamize your child's early years with the Eemaan reading series. They're available at HEMA Books, the exclusive publisher and distributor of this series in the Horn of Africa. Barakallahu fikum. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.